What's going on, guys? I was not expecting this. The DJI Ronin-SC coming out on Wednesday. A smaller version of the Ronin-S. They're calling it the Ronin-SC. All the stuff that I've seen online basically is confirmation. Wednesday, we're gonna see a smaller Ronin-S that's about half the size of the Ronin-S right now, half the weight. I think this will be targeted more towards mirrorless cameras and smaller cameras, small DSLR cameras, and not as much cinema rigs and bigger DSLRs. I think DJI did this because a lot of people were complaining the Ronin-S was too big. They just came out with the switch grip accessory, which I made a video about here, which makes the Ronin-S kind of like Ronin MX, M, and Ronin-S all together in one, because you can go from two hands to one hand. But people still didn't like the weight, so I think, and the fact that the handle was so long, it was, it was in the way, so people wanted something smaller, and there's so much competition out there that DJI decided, okay, we need to get a little more competitive in a smaller gimbal market for mirrorless cameras. Since Sony has been so popular, I can see it, and now you have Canon coming out with new lenses and new cameras in the near future for their mirrorless cameras, as well as Nikon has come out with mirrorless. So mirrorless is sort of the way of the future, at least in the next couple years. So that's why I think this was a good move by DJI. We're gonna see it on Wednesday. I'm Brett Garamella with BrettGaramella.com. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. Gonna keep it short. Drones for real.